This time, it's a battle between an elephant and a massive python. The elephant is undoubtedly a heavyweight champion, while the python, stretching up to 7 or 8 meters, is incredibly strong. Let's see what happens when these two powerhouses clash. The encounter seems to be about territory or dominance. Its tusks can easily break a small tree in half, showcasing their immense power. And its trunk, a versatile tool and weapon, capable of grabbing, lifting, and striking. On the other side, the python, known for its crushing strength, is no less intimidating. It can wrap itself around its prey, squeezing with immense force. It can wrap itself around its prey, squeezing with immense force. But will that be enough to take on an elephant? The fight begins, and it's intense. The elephant charges, using its tusks and trunk to attack. The python retaliates by trying to wrap itself around the elephant, aiming to overpower it. This is a true test of strength and endurance. The elephant uses all its might to shake off the python. It's not just physical strength at play here, it's also strategy and determination. It's not just physical strength at play here, it's also strategy and determination. The python struggles to maintain its grip, but the elephant's sheer power starts to take a toll. As the battle continues, it's clear one of them will have to give up. As the battle continues, it's clear one of them will have to give up. Eventually, the weaker one retreats, accepting defeat, leaving the stronger animal to claim dominance. This was an epic clash of strength, endurance, and willpower.